Mercury, the Speedy planet, a family-friendly guide to the solar system's swiftest world. Welcome to the fascinating world of Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet in our solar system. In this book, we'll explore everything we know about this mysterious little planet. From its scorching hot days to its freezing cold nights, Mercury is full of surprises. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey through space. Meet Mercury, the swift planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it's named after the Roman messenger god, who was known for his speed. Just like its namesake, Mercury zips around the Sun faster than any other planet. It completes one orbit in just 88 Earth days. But don't let its small size fool you. Mercury is packed with interesting features, size and distance. Mercury is only about 4,880 kilometers in diameter, making it just a little bigger than Earth's moon. It's about 58 million kilometers from the Sun's surface. Mercury's surface is covered in craters, much like our moon. These craters were formed by asteroids and comets crashing into the planet over billions of years. A day on Mercury. Hot and cold extremes. Mercury has some of the most extreme temperatures in the solar system. During the day, temperatures can soar to a scorching 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt some metals. But at night, without an atmosphere to hold in the heat, temperatures can plummet to a freezing -180 degrees Celsius. Long days, short years. A day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, while a year is just 88 Earth days. That means Mercury has a very slow spin compared to its speedy orbit. Mercury's surface. A cratered world. Mercury's surface is a rocky, dusty place with lots of interesting features. Caloris Basin, one of the largest impact craters in the solar system. The Caloris Basin is about 1,550 kilometers wide. The impact was so powerful that it created hills on the opposite side of the planet, scarps. These are huge cliffs that formed when Mercury's surface cooled and shrank billions of years ago. Some scarps are hundreds of kilometers long and over a kilometer high. Mercury's atmosphere. Almost non-existent. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, called an exosphere, made up of tiny amounts of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Because the atmosphere is so thin, it can't trap heat or protect the planet from meteoroids, which is why Mercury's surface is so heavily cratered. Exploring Mercury. Missions to the swift planet. Humans have sent spacecraft to study Mercury up close. The most famous mission is NASA's Messenger, which orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015. It sent back amazing pictures and data, helping us learn more about this mysterious planet. Fun fact! Did you know Mercury has ice? Even though it's so close to the Sun, some craters near Mercury's poles are always in shadow and stay cold enough to hold on to ice. Mercury's magnetic field. A surprising discovery. Even though Mercury is small, it has a magnetic field, which is unusual for a planet of its size. Scientists think this magnetic field is generated by a partially molten iron core. This magnetic field helps protect Mercury from the Sun's powerful solar wind. Mercury in history and culture. Mercury has been known since ancient times. The Sumerians called it Ubu-Im-Gud-Ud, and the Greeks named it after their messenger god, Hermes. In many cultures, Mercury was associated with speed and communication because of its quick movement across the sky. Fun activities. Make a model of Mercury. Use clay or papier, tar, to create a model of Mercury. Don't forget to add craters and scarps. Track Mercury's orbit. Use a simple orrery to see how quickly Mercury moves compared to other planets. Mercury Trivia Game. Test your knowledge with fun facts about Mercury. For example, did you know Mercury has no moons? Mercury may be small, but it's full of wonders. From its extreme temperatures to its surprising ice, this speedy planet continues to amaze scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Who knows what other secrets Mercury might be hiding? Maybe one day you'll be the one to discover them. Exosphere, a very thin atmosphere. Scarps, large cliffs formed by the shrinking of a planet's surface. Caloris Basin, a huge impact crater on Mercury. Magnetic field, an invisible force that protects a planet from solar wind. Further reading and resources. NASA's Solar System Exploration. Mercury Books. The Planets by Dava Sobel websites. Space.com. National Geographic Kids. Your name is a space enthusiast who loves exploring the wonders of the solar system. When not writing about planets, your name enjoys stargazing and dreaming about future space adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Mercury. We hope you enjoyed learning about the solar system's speedy little planet. Keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day you'll visit Mercury yourself.